Hi guys, this is Ankiran Ghosh and welcome back to a new video on this channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about LinkedIn Freelance Marketplace. So without any further ado, let's get started. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform where people come and hire people, recruit people, and also people can search for jobs and internships. So basically people from different professions create a profile here to showcase their work and their experience, and you can find founders, HR managers, hiring managers, and different professionals. So basically, in simple words, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. So now you might have heard that LinkedIn is developing a new freelance marketplace platform to facilitate new opportunities. So this freelance marketplace platform is focused on freelancing and focused on freelancers. So basically, your LinkedIn account is not enough to stand out on LinkedIn as a freelancer. If you are a freelancer, you need to list your products, list your services in order to stand out as a freelancer on LinkedIn. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. So first of all, in order to create a seller page, you need to create a seller page on LinkedIn to stand out as a freelancer. So in order to create a seller page, first of all, you need to go to this link, go to this group page called LinkedIn Service Provider Group. This group is created by people from LinkedIn, as you can see here. So the problem is the group is an unlisted group, which means only people with the link to this group can see this group and can request to access this group. So I will leave the link to this group in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. So after you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. So you will get to see a join button here. You need to click on the join button, and after you request to join the group, after 24 hours your request will be approved. And after your request gets approved, go back to your LinkedIn profile and you will get to see this option called Open To. Click on this button called Open To, and then a drop down menu will appear. You can get to see two options here: providing services and hiring. So if you are a freelancer, click on providing services. So in this way you can showcase the services you offer so new clients can discover you. And soon in near future, LinkedIn will be integrating the LinkedIn whole professional networking platform with the LinkedIn marketplace, which is especially focused for freelancing. So basically it's going to replace Fiverr and Upwork. Not exactly, but it will be a competitor to Fiverr and Upwork, because it is a professional networking platform and more people come here to provide and recruit people, provide services and recruit people. So it's going to integrate the whole platform with a freelancing marketplace. So click on this option called providing services, and then you will get to see 3 steps. Tell us about your services and work preferences. Get found in search results when people look for services. Let potential clients reach out to you for free. Click on continue, and then you need to click on add services to list the services you provide. So after you select all the services you provide, click on done. And as you can see, all the services you selected will get listed here. So now you need to tell the platform, now you need to create a description for your seller page. So it says, tell us about your services and what makes you stand out, such as the projects you have worked on or your years of experience. So basically for now I am providing this description. I provide freelance services on graphic designing, creating social media posts, posters, infographics and presentation. I edit videos, interview videos, intros, outros and presentation based videos. I am also a HubSpot certified content marketer. And then you can click on work location. You need to click on I am available to work remotely so that clients can reach out to you, and then click on allow LinkedIn members that you are not connected with to message you for free. Click on the checkbox, and then under the visibility option you can see who can see the services you provide. Make sure it's turned on to anyone. Make sure it's make sure the selected option is anyone. Then click on next, and this is how your seller page will look like. Click on publish. Now then your service page is published. You can click on view your service page, and then you can also edit the page, change the description, add services. You can invite clients to review. So yeah, this is all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.